Located at the end of a beautiful cul-de-sac across from the water, this custom contemporary home has been meticulously maintained and is in move-in condition. The manicured grounds include acres of wooded conservation land that provide additional privacy and beauty. The main level has an open, light-filled layout with hardwood floors and a cathedral ceiling that soars over the combined living and dining space, with a fireplace and custom built-in. Enjoy water views from the spacious eat-in kitchen featuring a breakfast nook, all-new stainless appliances, and Corian counters and a center island. French doors open to an inviting sunroom with access to the deck and an outdoor living space perfect for social gatherings and barbecues. The spacious first-floor master suite has a large walk-in closet and a private bath with double sinks. The large laundry room with sink is also conveniently located on the first floor and has ample storage space. The second floor includes 2 bedrooms, each with custom built-ins, a full bath, and a loft office with water views. This space can easily be converted into a 4th bedroom with room for an additional bath. This home is located within the Hopeworth Beach Association, where you can enjoy water access, boating, a private beach, tennis, a playground, and social activities throughout the year. Explore the charming streets of downtown Bristol and visit the lovely cafes nearby. Colt State Park has expansive grounds right on Narragansett Bay and is full of walking paths and sports facilities. This quiet location is centrally located between historic Newport and vibrant Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Barbara Stamp at area code 401-480-5574.